बैठना है सर? अच्छा चलिए। यस यस।
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
भैया बस करो, आप हट जाओ। सर 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 1 सेकेंड। यस यस। सर आप छोड़ दो भैया, वो कर लेंगे सर। या सर थोड़ा सा इधर देखिएगा एक बारी सर, थोड़ा सा। हाँ भैया हाथ हटाओ।
मैं ही पीछे आ रहा हूँ, आकाश जी पीछे आ रहे हैं।
हमको आगे ले
Your Lordship, a very good evening. This is the pilot hybrid course with speech-to-text facility for recording of the evidence. Sir, we have recently entered into an agreement with Mr. Utkarsh Saxena. He is the CEO and founder of Adalat AI. They are providing us 25 such software, sir, that too on the pre-work basis. We are not charging anything for that. And they are not providing for this code, but in the arrangement for ageless case, we will be replicating this code for another 22 codes. So 14 codes, sir.
I have amended the order.
Last year initially we had instructions in 22.
You're right. I understand.
So for all the codes, we will provide the facility on pro bono basis. Now I request Mr. Utkarsh Saxena to explain about the code.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll just make a quick introduction about our organization. My name is Utkarsh.
You have a mic?
I can use this mic here, actually. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Just get it here, I think.
Is this better? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much firstly for this opportunity. My name is Utkarsh Saxena. I'm the co-founder and CEO. My other co-founder, Albu Bhattacharya, who's the Chief Technology Officer, is currently with the rest of the team in rural Kerala and Karnataka, since we are also working with rural district courts to understand needs. And I've been practicing in Delhi since 2012. I've had the pleasure of appearing before many of your lordships in courts, and including in trial courts in Delhi. And the idea for this started because I spent many hours in the Edinburgh room or working with the stenographers in cross-examinations, getting depositions typed, and appreciating the kind of hardships and circumstances under which our judiciary works. I think people outside don't realize how they're often low resource settings and extremely challenging circumstances. And so the vision of Adalat AI is to build a series of technology and AI solutions specifically customized for the needs of courtrooms, not generic products that are in the market, but that are trained on extensive legal database so that they understand all the formal language that we use. They understand our dictations, our accents, our Indian languages. And we've been very lucky that we got the guidance of Justice Chakra since late last year and have been evolving this product, and now today are actually seeing it deployed in this model court. There are many features, but for your understanding today we're going to focus on one feature, which is the evidence generation feature. Because as we all know, in courts very often evidence is written in the narrative form. The questions and answers are put by the lawyer to the witness, and then the judge hears everything and then paraphrases it and dictates it to a stenographer slowly. We don't actually have the true source of events from the court. And so we set up this software which distinguishes between multiple voices. Today we'll show you 5 different voices of 2 counsel, the judge, the witness, and an accused who's going to be joining via webcam to show how it can all seamlessly operate. We'll show it to you in Hindi because a lot of our witnesses speak in Hindi. And I will also be playing the role of a stenographer who's going to be logged in through a collaborative feature on the document and will be making edits whenever there are minor errors or mistakes. So without further ado, if I could welcome all the individuals who are playing their different roles, and we can just simulate a cross-examination to show how it will actually play out in the real courtroom.
Please come forward, sir.
नाम बताइए, नंबर बताइए, आजकल आपकी पोस्टिंग कहाँ है?
मेरा नाम हेड कांस्टेबल दिनेश है, बैच नंबर 2015, आउटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, प्रेजेंट पोस्टिंग प्रोसिक्यूशन ब्रांच, ईस्ट हजारी कोर्ट।
दिनेश जी बोलिए, जो कुछ कहूँगा सच के अलावा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा।
मैं जो कुछ कहूँगा सच के अलावा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा।
बताइए कौन सी तारीख की बात थी, आपकी पोस्टिंग उस टाइम कहाँ थी और उस दिन क्या हुआ?
मेरी पोस्टिंग उस समय PS निहाल में थी। दिनांक 17/6/2022 को SI रमेश साहब और मुझे कॉल मिली। मैं SI रमेश साहब के साथ संजय गांधी हॉस्पिटल मंगोलपुरी में गए। वहाँ पर हमें इंजर्ड मिला। इंजर्ड से SI रमेश साहब ने उसके बयान हासिल किए। इंजर्ड का नाम रवि था और डॉक्टर साहब से इंजर्ड की MLC कलेक्ट की।
अस्पताल में रवि का बयान देते वक्त उनके परिवार का कोई सदस्य मौजूद था?
नहीं सर, जब एसआई साहब ने विक्टिम रवि के बयान लिए उस समय उनका कोई पारिवारिक सदस्य वहाँ मौजूद नहीं था।
साजिद जी, आपने ऑनलाइन ज्वाइन करा हुआ है, क्या आप ये गवाही सुन सकते हैं?
हाँ जी मैम, मैं सुन सकता हूँ।
और आपको विटनेस दिखाई भी दे रहा है, कोर्ट प्रोसीडिंग देख सकते हैं आप?
हाँ जी मैम, मैं देख सकता हूँ।
This is a small demonstration. All 5 mics are working. Everyone can hear everything.
Yes, we can also do it in English. We can do it. The solution is offered in 13 languages, also Malayalam, Kannada, and Tamil.
This was to be translated.
Yes, so currently we have a translation feature for speech to text, which means that if the witness is deposing in their mother tongue, in real time it will convert that and translate that to English, as is often required in the courtroom. But based on your feedback in our last meeting, we're also adding the text to text translation feature. We're adding other features like summarization of documents. Sometimes you get lengthy written submissions from us. We're all guilty of filing long written submissions. If you want just the facts summarized or just the contentions of the counsel for petitioners or respondents, you can give them specific instructions, a 2-paragraph summary, a 2-page summary. We're also adding research tools, so this will become a one-stop shop dashboard for all your needs as a judge or as a stenographer in the courtroom. Your law clerks can join it, your court staff can join it, and anything from manual tasks, even image scans like OCR scans. Very often we get scans as annexures, which then someone needs to type out as a true copy. That can be automated as well, so that all manual clerical tasks, the judges can be liberated from those, automate them, and improve the capacity of the judicial officers and the administrative support staff to help reduce delays and backlogs of courts.
This system understands Haryani?
Yes, it does. It understands Haryani, understands Hindi and Haryanvi accent, it understands Hindi and Punjabi accent. And one more thing, sir.
Should we test right now?
We can try, sir. Yeah.
Sir, please.
एक दिन जब मैं घर से निकला, सामने छोरा दिखाई दिया, उल्टे बाल, कान मुड़े हुए, भागा जा रहा था। काल में जब घर से निकला, एक छोरा उल्टे बाल, कान मुड़े हुए भागा जा रहा था। मैंने उससे पूछा, भाई किस जा रहा है? बोला, साला उसका काम करके आऊं और आगे दूसरे का करूंगा। तो मैं पूछा, भाई तू इसका काम करके आया? वो डोलू के छोरे का। अब उस गांव में डोलू कोई है नहीं, डोलू निकले, डोलू के नाम के 3, अब किसने फिट करोगे?
Please arrest the phone size. Please arrest the phone size.
Subject to correction.
ऐसा है जज साहब का काम कम हो गया।
On behalf of Delhi District Courts, I welcome all the dignitaries to the inaugural function of Digital Courts Application and Pilot Hybrid Court with speech-to-text facility for evidence recording. I welcome and extend our humble greetings to the Honorable Chief Justice Mr. Manmohan, Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdar, Honorable Mr. Justice Suresh Kaur, other honorable judges who are member of the Information Technology Committee and the Building Maintenance Committee, and other companion judges from the Honorable High Court of Delhi. I also welcome Mr. Chetan Sharma, Learned ASG. I also welcome Learned Registrar General, Registrar Vigilance, all the learned Principal District and Session Judges. I also welcome Mr. Mohit Mathur, President Delhi High Court Bar Association, Mr. Natin Alawat, President Delhi Bar Association, my brother and sister judicial officers, Mr. Utkarsh from the Adalat AI team, members from the bar, media, and my dear friends. It is a momentous occasion for all of us today. The projects which we are going to launch today and devote to the nation are going to be a giant leap in achieving the paperless court administration as envisaged in the phase 3 of the e-courts project. Now, to celebrate this momentous occasion, I welcome the Honorable Chief Justice and I request our Principal District and Session Judge, Shri Sanjay Garg ji, to please felicitate and welcome Honorable Chief Justice. Now, I request Learned Principal District and Session Judge West, Mr. Vinod Kumar ji, to welcome and facilitate and state Honorable Mr. Justice Shri Rajiv Shakdar ji. Now I request Shri Vinay Khanna ji, Principal Judge, Family Court, to welcome and state Honorable Mr. Justice Shri Suresh Kumar Kaur ji. Now I request Shri Mukesh Kumar Gupta ji to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Shri Sanjeev Narula ji. Now I request Mr. Sushil Amit Tyagi to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Shri Purushottam Kumar Kaur ji. I request Mr. Sudhanshu Kaushik ji to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Shri Tushar Rao Garila ji. Now I request the showman of the evening, our Chairman IT, Mr. Farouk Sharma, to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Shri Girish Katpalia. Yes, sir. I will request Madam Shefali Barnala Tandon, who is backbone of the administrative affairs here in Kisudari headquarters, to welcome Chetan Sharma ji, Learned Additional Solicitor General. I will request Madam Medha Arya, who is the Administrative Civil Judge here, who has made untiring efforts to make this program successful, to welcome Mr. Mohit Mathur, President, Delhi High Court Bar Association. One more. Now I request Madam Tapasya, who is also a ACJ and one of the integral part of the administrative team here, to welcome Mr. Nitin Nilawat, President Delhi Bar Association.
मैम थोड़ा सा आ जाइए, थोड़ा सा आ जाइए। यस, परफेक्ट परफेक्ट, यस। मैम इधर दिखेगा मेरे को। थैंक यू सर।
Humbly thank and welcome all the council. The digital court desktop and browser-based application is developed under the aegis of the Honorable E-Committee, Supreme Court of India. This application is meant for judicial officers who are working in district courts. As you are aware that the compulsory e-filing is already implemented in the civil jurisdiction, family court jurisdiction and the criminal complaint cases. So it was important that the judicial officers are able to access the digital files in paperless fashion. And the vacuum is going to be filled by the digital court app. Data of the cases once downloaded in this application will be available to the judicial officers on the go from their camp office also. This application also provides the facility to annotate and to dictate orders using the speech-to-text facility. I cannot miss this opportunity to thank Mr. Pawan Kumar Jain, our then Chairman IT, Mr. Sunil Kumar Sharma, the current Chairman IT, and Mr. Yogesh Sharma for making their untiring effort to implement this application, to migrate the data and to ensure that all e-file cases are made available to judicial officers across Delhi. Thank you, sir, for achieving another milestone towards the aim and ambition of the paperless courts in Delhi. Thank you, sir. Pilot hybrid courts, which have been already inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Justice, is another milestone and landmark in the area of recording of evidence in this country. This court envisions to record the evidence through the AI-enabled speech-to-text facility, wherein every speaker will be separately identified and distinguished using the artificial intelligence. So I'm not going to take much time. We'll show you the video presentation on that also. Now I will request our learned Principal District and Session Judge Headquarters, Mr. Sanjay Garg, to come on the dais and welcome the dignitaries.
Good evening, everyone. I'm honored to extend a warm welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Manmohan, Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Delhi. It is a privilege to have you with us today, sir. I would also like to extend a hearty welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdar, Judge High Court of Delhi, and Honorable Mr. Justice Suresh Kumar Kat, Judge High Court of Delhi. Thank you, Lordships, for gracing us with your presence. I would also like to extend hearty welcome to Justice Tushar Rao for sparing his precious time to come here. I welcome you, sir. I further extend hearty welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjeev Narula, Judge High Court of Delhi. I further extend a hearty welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Kushendra Kumar Kaurav, Judge High Court of Delhi. I also extend hearty welcome to Honorable Mr. Justice Girish Katpalia, Judge High Court of Delhi. I also extend hearty welcome to Shri Chetan Sharma, Additional Solicitor General of India. I extend a warm welcome to London Principal District and Session Judges and Principal Judge Family Court Headquarter and other Principal Judges. I further extend a warm welcome to Shri Mohit Mathur, President, Delhi High Court Bar Association, Shri Kamaljeet Arora, Learned Registrar General, Shri Pawan Kumar Jain, Learned Registrar Vigilance, Shri Jatan Singh, Vice President, Bar, Delhi High Court, Shri Sandeep Sharma, Secretary Bar, Delhi High Court. I also extend a warm welcome to Shri Nitin Nilawat, President, Delhi Bar Association, and Shri Atul Sharma, Honorary Secretary, Delhi Bar Association, and other executive members. I also extend warm welcome to all judicial officers and distinguished guests present today. Your presence today is profound honor and underscores the importance of this occasion. It is with great pleasure and immense pride that we welcome you all to the inauguration of the newly created pilot hybrid court at Tisari Court Complex, equipped with cutting-edge speech-to-text software and digital court software for judicial officers. Today marks a significant milestone in our ongoing effort to enhance the efficiency, accessibility, and transparency of our judicial processes. The hybrid court is a testament to our commitment to leveraging technology to better serve justice and meet the evolving needs of our society. The implementation of speech-to-text software in our courtrooms for evidence recording and other purposes is a groundbreaking development. The technology will streamline the entire evidence recording process, ensuring accurate and timely recording of proceedings. It will greatly assist our judges, lawyers, and court staff, reducing the administrative burden and allowing them to focus more on the substantive aspects of justice delivery. Moreover, the introduction of the digital court application, developed under the aegis of Honorable Supreme Court of India, signifies our dedication to making the judicial system more accessible. This initiative promotes a paperless digital court system, allowing judges to view case files and documents from the comfort of their homes, thereby enhancing efficiency and accessibility. This application will provide real-time updates on case statuses, hearing schedules, and other pertinent information, bridging the gap between the court and the community it serves. As we celebrate this momentous occasion, let's also acknowledge the collaborative efforts that have brought us to this point. The successful integration of these technologies is the result of hard work and dedication of many individuals and organizations. The hybrid court, with its advanced technological features, is a significant step towards realizing this vision. I am confident that with the continued support and collaboration of all stakeholders, we will further enhance the efficiency of delivery of justice in our society. I extend my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to our entire team and everyone involved in this project for their commitment and tireless efforts. Thank you once again for being a part of this significant event. Let's now proceed to the formal inauguration and welcome digital integration into the judicial system. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind welcome speech. Now, the time for inauguration has come. The time for which the IT team in the district court was sweating hard day in, day out, were making untiring efforts. This project started when Mr. Pawan Jain, our current Registrar of Vigilance, was the chairman of the IT team, and now the chairman has also changed. But one thing we must acknowledge, that the guidance of Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdar, sir, was always there. He was always blessing us in our endeavors. He always gave us a free hand to crack any kind of technology and explore anything. And we also acknowledge the efforts made by the Adalat AI team and the E-Committee for providing us the necessary technology. Now I humbly request the Honorable the Acting Chief Justice and Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdarji, Chairman Information Technology Committee, to grace the occasion, to bless our endeavors, and to inaugurate the IT projects which are going to raise the bar of ICT initiatives in this country and thrust us into new era of the paperless regime. So, thank you, sir. We are grateful to my lordships for blessing the endeavors of the IT team and inaugurating these projects. We are confident that these projects will be replicated in the other districts of the state, and we are also confident that we'll do the hand-holding of the other states in the country so that this project is replicated across the country on pan-India basis. Now, I will request our IT team to introduce the project by playing the introduction videos.
Under the aegis and direction of Honourable High Court of Delhi, the installation of VC equipments has been set up in Pilot Courtroom number 318, Tis Hazari Courts, Delhi for conducting the hybrid hearing. It provides flexibility to all the stakeholders, namely learned judges, learned advocates, learned prosecutors, witnesses and the accused, as they can here attend the proceedings in physical mode, as well as in virtual mode from different locations. Hybrid hearings in courts refers to proceedings that combine elements of both physical presence and remote participation via technology. The video conferencing facility became common during the COVID-19 pandemic, but continued to be used in various jurisdictions for its practicality and flexibility. Honourable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdar, Chairman, Honourable IT and I Committee, High Court of Delhi, pleased to guide during his visit to the above hybrid court that since recording of evidence consumes lot of judicial time as learned judge has to dictate the evidence to the stenographer, technology needs to be invented and explored to record the evidence with minimum human interference, as it would save lots of judicial time, which would help in achieving the goal of speedy and transparent justice. Accordingly, speech-to-text software, Adalat AI has been deployed for realizing the aforesaid goal. This AI-powered tool leverages automatic speech recognition technology and large language models to seamlessly convert spoken words into written text. One can log in at Adalat AI website dashboard using his/her email address and password. Once logged in, it will take the user to its dashboard. To create a document, click on Create Document button to access the dictation feature for dictating orders and judgments, etc. Similarly, its translation feature and evidence recording features can be used. To use the dictation feature, click on the dictation button. Select your desired language from the language bar at the top left of the page. Click on the Start Recording button to begin and Stop Recording button to finish.
The appellant has not played any active or passive role or has not done any direct act to instigate or aid the deceased in committing suicide. Neither the statement of the complainant nor statement of any colleague of the deceased was recorded by the investigating officer during the investigation, which would have suggested any kind of instigation by the appellant to abet the commission of alleged suicide.
Select Hindi language for Hindi dictation and click Start Recording button to begin.
विवाद की प्रकृति को देखते हुए यह उम्मीद की जाती है कि इस पर शीघ्रता से सुनवाई और निर्णय किया जाएगा, जब तक कि विवाद को विद्वान न्यायाधीश द्वारा निर्णय नहीं लिया जाता है, तब तक दोनों पक्ष मुकदमे की संपत्ति के शीर्षक और कब्जे से संबंधित यथास्थिति बनाए रखेंगे।
Click Evidence button, select your language, and then click Assign Speaker button to name identify speakers, such as learned public prosecutor or witness, etc. To add more speakers if required, then click on Save button and start and stop recording as required.
Where were you at the night of the 15th of July?
I was at my way with my family.
How many members are you in your family?
There are a total of 3 members in my family.
At what time did you go to bed that night?
I was late that night, probably around 1 a.m. in the morning.
Introducing the revolutionary Digital Court app, designed exclusively for judges under the aegis of Honourable E Committee, Supreme Court of India. This cutting-edge application brings the power of technology to the courtroom, enhancing efficiency and accessibility in legal proceedings. The app includes a comprehensive dashboard showcasing all court-related data pending and disposed cases, an important cases tab, cause lists, and a brief case section. It is one-stop app for all essential court information. Accessibility is paramount, and the Digital Court app excels in this regard. Judges can access e-filed cases and pertinent metadata whenever needed, ensuring information is readily available. Moreover, the app also offers a thorough information cause list, enabling judges to stay informed and maintain impeccable organization. With the Digital Court app, judges gain instant access to e-filed cases, eliminating the need for cumbersome paperwork and time-consuming manual searches. Whether in the courtroom or on the go, judges can securely access all case documents, anytime and anywhere. In addition, the app boasts advanced speech-to-text functionality, enabling judges to effortlessly dictate notes. No more tedious typing, just seamless productivity at fingertips. Forget about relying on an internet connection. Once files are downloaded, judges can access them offline, ensuring uninterrupted workflow even in areas with no connectivity. Digital Court app also have powerful annotation tools. Judges can make notes, mark important paragraphs, and highlight key sections with precision, all within this magical app. This level of customization and control empowers judges to focus on what matters most, delivering justice. Join the digital revolution in the courtroom with the Digital Court app. Experience seamless access to e-filed cases, advanced speech-to-text capabilities, offline functionality, and powerful annotation tools.
Thanks a lot to the team led by Mr. Nishant, Mr. Yogesh, and the other IT officials for making these beautiful videos. Now, proceeding with the function, I will humbly like to request Honorable Mr. Justice Suresh Kumar Katji, Chairman of the Building Maintenance and Construction Committee, to deliver the keynote address, please.
My Lord, Acting Chief Justice, my colleague Justice Shagdar and colleague of the dais, President of Delhi Bar Association and his team, President of New Delhi Bar Association and his team, judicial officers, member of the bar, staff member, ladies and gentlemen. By these slides, I hope you have understood everything. Those who could not, just contact to the IT team. We also can say Justice Shagdar is a judge of motion on the dais and off the dais. Because of his efforts and under his leadership, the digital court, this system, not only in Delhi, he sent even up to Madurai, Tamil Nadu, south part of the country. So therefore, I congratulate the complete team and especially Justice Shagdar, who has tirelessly, day and night, did the work and come to this conclusion, and it's a matter of pride for all of us. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for acknowledging the hard work of the team, and your words are really true. We all feel blessed to work under the mentorship of Lordship Justice Shagdar. Now I would like to request the visionary of these projects, the captain of the IT team, our source of inspiration, and the kind judge who never said no to any justified IT demand of the district courts. I humbly request Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Jagdar sir to grace the occasion and deliver the inaugural address.
Thank you so much, Abhilash. Honorable the Acting Chief Justice, Justice Manmohan, Honorable Justice K, Mr. Sanjay Garg, Mr. Vinod Kumar, I have a long list. My speech is going to be short, but I need to acknowledge a lot of people because this has been a work which was in the pipeline for a very long time. And one of the problems that we had, I'm talking about project 1, which was speech to text, was that although we were getting other vendors to sell us the product, my problem was about the location of the servers, because once you record evidence, the sanitization of evidence is very important. And as judicial officers would realize that the evidence, if recorded and stored on servers which are not located in the country, they can be a problem. So before I move further, let me acknowledge the presence of my colleagues over here, Justice Narula, Justice Kaurav, Justice Katpalia and Justice Rao. They were very kind in accepting my invite and coming here, although a little reluctantly, but they did make time, only having regard to my age and perhaps rank in the food ladder, as they say. But I'm equally glad to have a dear friend, who's always been a dear friend, who's at the bar, Mr. Chetan Sharma, Mr. Mohit Mahathir, Mr. Shaban Singh, Mr. Sandeep Sharma, Mr. Nitin Alawat, and other dignitaries, or should I say eminent people from the bar. I must acknowledge the presence of the district judges who are here. I'm not going to name you, but they are all in front of me and you know who they are. They're in the second row. They are beaming, and hopefully good news will come their way soon. But I must also acknowledge the great work that the team has done, starting with Mr. Jain, who was here as chairman of the IT committee, and the baton has passed on to Mr. Sunil Jain. These are all handpicked people, and of course Abhilash, who was very recently the CPC, who was constantly interacting with me, my two registrars, Mr. Arora, Mr. Chauhan. I don't see them there, are they there? And a whole lot of people in the technical team in the High Court who've done some wonderful projects without external aid. We have Robin, and now I have, because Abhilash was getting stuck with me, he said, I must leave this place, otherwise I'll know only technology and no law. So I agreed to that, but I must tell you, whoever takes up, because I believe, and I think I've repeated it several times on various podiums, that you have to build an institution. It can't be centered around a person. I stood on very broad shoulders. Delhi is where it is because we were early birds. We started in 2009 and 2013 onwards we've been on the roll. So in place of Abhilash, we have Mr. Jay Tareja, who's again handpicked. And he's a young officer. Whoever takes over IT committee will benefit from the skills, which are, you require skills actually of two kinds, because these are cogs in the wheel, because they interact, they are the interface between the High Court and the E-Committee, which has its own dimensions. They have to be very careful how it's almost walking like on eggshells at times. But last and not the least is Mr. Utkarsh Saxena and Orgo Bhattacharya and his team, who have given this wonderful platform to us. And as I said, the USP of this project is that our servers will be here. And something that I need to underscore is that they are giving it to us free of cost. These are young entrepreneurs who have done a tremendous job. And if I have the liberty, I think I'm going to take them to another location with me as well. So the experiences that we gained here will be used not only here, but I'm sure when other courts get to know that we have this wonderful product, they will come looking to Delhi for wanting this. So as you would have seen, I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritties of the projects, because you've already seen and you must be coming out of your ears. So I'm not going to get into that, but the product is so empowering, especially speech to text, that it can actually change the way we work. Imagine after you've recorded the evidence and you want to look at the demeanor of the witness, or you want to know what exactly. So, the person who's dictating the judgment will have something which otherwise won't be available to you. And imagine when a matter comes up in the appellate court wants to look at it. So often, in rape cases, the local lingo, as we know, we are not able to say, balatkar, etc., koi ganda kaam hua, etc. But you have to contextualize it. The defense counsel is always ready to pick holes, but now you will have the demeanor of the victim, you will have the entire testimony, and you can pick portions of the testimony which can be immediately replicated in your judgment. So it's a fantastic tool, coupled with the digital court application, which has every bit of information on your desktop. And the wonderful thing about it is that it is actually aligned with the case information system. So you're on the national grid, but at the same time you have all the information available with you. So I wish you luck, and use this tool, because I find, and that's very, very disheartening, that you invest so much of money, the government is making so much of money and all this, and we are giving you ICT tools, and we still find that they are not used. I'm sure the Chief Justice will be looking at it very closely now that he has the tool, or at least he knows that they have the tool. We are not using it. He knows what to do. So, good luck to all of you, and thank you very much for your patience. God bless you.
Thanks a lot, Worship, for your kind address and guidance. The district judiciary will forever remain grateful to your good self for strengthening and reshaping the IT infrastructure and creating a hybrid and paperless ecosystem in the district court. We are forever grateful to you, my lords. Now I humbly request the head of our judicial family, Honorable the Acting Chief Justice, High Court of Delhi, to come and deliver the special address and guide the House. Sir, please.
Respected Justice Shakdar, Justice Kail, Mr. Sanjay Garg, Mr. Vinod Kumar, Mr. Tushar Rao, Mr. Katpalia, Mr. Narula, Mr. Gaurav, Mohit, members of the Delhi High Court Bar Association, Principal District Judges, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I think congratulations are due to the IT committee headed by Justice Shakdar. I think they've done a wonderful job. They deserve a big round of applause. Today, when I sit in court and decide matters, one of the things which strikes me when I look at the big picture is that today technology is being used to circumvent the laws, to break the laws, to promote infringement. Only way we can deal with violations and bring people in conformity with law is, again, to use technology in the right way. And I think what is being done today is another step in the right direction. We have to use and harness technology for improving the legal system, for ensuring that the people who are accused of crime are brought to book. The delays have to be cut short. And this is a very powerful tool, speech to text, that has been given. So, according to me, only way to ensure that the system works properly is to ensure that good technology is brought into the system. The other thing is that as a Chief Justice, the first and the biggest problem that I face is all judges are requesting for a large number of stenographers and there is not enough pool available. I think this will sort the problem to a large extent, because once speech to text facility is available, especially with regard to recording of evidence by the joint registrars and by the district judiciary, this will ensure that quite a big pool of stenographers becomes available for other purposes. So I am very grateful to the Adalat AI team. They have done a fantastic job. This is where we need to use AI, and I think this is the right application of the technology. And it also conforms to our needs. See, at times technology is developing, but it has very little application. Here there is great application, to the work that we are doing. It will be a great game changer to my mind. We are trying to promote paperless court. Everyone is making an effort. The IT committee headed by Justice Shakdar is doing a great job. We require a lot more finances. Naturally, the state has its own priorities. So there is a bit of a sort of a tussle, or there is a bit of arguments over it, and we have to resolve it. But we are ensuring that we are able to develop hybrid court facilities in all the 691 district court rooms, and a budget of about 387 crores is on the anvil. We are sure that we will get it soon enough, and 14 pilot court projects are in the pipeline which are to be implemented straight away, and this technology will be used in these 14 pilot projects. So I hope that we are able to use this for the right purpose, and I can vouch for the system now that Justice Kath has tested it properly with his Haryanvi. So it has worked very well, and we have no doubts that we will be able to use it. So thank you very much, and I think the initiative which the Delhi IT team has must be continued. We must not cede space. We must continue with our improvements, and I'm sure we'll continue to develop more features and more innovations. So I wish the IT committee all the best for the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lordship, for your kind address. I must acknowledge that the Chief Justice's Secretariat has always supported us in fast-tracking the IT projects. Whether it is about the process re-engineering by amending the rules or to introduce the new technology, we have always received a strong handholding. We are grateful to my Lordship for sparing his precious time and blessing our endeavours. Thank you, sir. Now I'll request Mr. Vinod Kumar, Learned Principal, District and Session Judge West, to come on the dais and deliver the vote of thanks, please. Sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you to extend vote of thanks on this momentous occasion. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Manmohan. Honorable Sir, your enlightening address today has illuminated our path forward, particularly your dedication in extending the hybrid facility to district courts. We are deeply grateful for your leadership and vision. I extend my profound gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Rajiv Shakdar, whose guidance has been instrumental in inspiring the creation of pilot hybrid court equipped with latest technology. Your support has been invaluable, and this event stands as a testament to your unwavering commitment. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Mr. Justice Suresh Kumar Kath. Honorable Sir, your perspectives on significance of hybrid hearing facilities have enriched our understanding. Your contribution today will resonate as we embark on this new chapter. I extend my heartiest thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjeev Nagula, Honorable Mr. Justice Purshendra Kumar Kaurav, Honorable Mr. Justice Tushar Rao Gedela, Honorable Mr. Justice Girish Katwalia for sparing their valuable time and gracing the occasion. Sir, we always look forward to you for your advice and guidance. Special thanks are due to Shri Kamaljeet Arora, Shri Pawan Kumar Jain, and Sunil Kumar Sharma and their teams for their pivotal role in advancing IT and digitalization initiatives in Delhi district courts. Their dedication and support have been instrumental in achieving our goals. I also extend my thanks to Shri Chetan Sharma, Additional Solicitor General, Shri R.K. Pandey, Director of Prosecution, Shri Mohit Mathur and his team, Shri Nitin Ahlawat and his team. I thank media persons for covering the event. I also want to acknowledge the invaluable contribution of IT Cell, Caretaking Branch, PWD Electrical and Civil Division, and Computer Branch. Your cooperation and meticulous planning were essential in organizing this event flawlessly. Lastly, I express my gratitude to all the distinguished guests and attendees who have graced this occasion with their presence despite their busy schedules. Your support and encouragement means a lot to us. In conclusion, I extend my heartfelt thanks to everyone who has contributed in making this inaugural function of Pilot Hybrid Court a memorable and successful event. Thank you once again and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for the vote of thanks. Now I'll take the permission of Honorable the Acting Chief Justice to conclude the ceremony. And I will request all the dignitaries, all the honorable judges, all our guests who are here to proceed to number 302. And rest of the judicial officers, we have made arrangement in front of room number 327 in the third floor also. So I request all of you to please spare some space for our guests for their departure, and then all of us will proceed together. Thank you.
आपका as you use it, it will also increase. Not actually better. Thank you.